Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can count the total object or total number of object available in this particular list based on some certain criteria. So suppose if we have here employees list, and in this list I'll add a stream, and then I'll do dot filter fi filter, and let's use some predicate here. I'll say p dot get address dot I'll say equals ignore case, right? Let's say I just wanted to check, I wanted to get the total number of employee from Delhi, right? So I can apply here filter get address equals Delhi. Now whatever output we can get here, either I can just do uh, um, for each loop, but here I wanted to count it, so I'll write here dot count, and this count method will return long type data. So I'll just long count equal to this, and then I'll simply print here. So total employees equal to, I'll say plus count. So it will, the idea here is we can apply all the filter logic and other stuff, and then you can just write here dot count. This method will return total count of the particular condition. So here total employees living in Delhi is 2, and then we get output as 2. So this count function is very useful while we do sorting, and while we apply pagination logic, then at that time we have to use this thing. This is very useful. Thank you so much for watching the video.